Welcome to DBT GA4 Setup, Create a Google Cloud Project. I'm Damon. In this lesson, we're going to create a Google Cloud project. Let's jump right in. Let's set up a Google Cloud project for the GA4 export to BigQuery. So here I am logged into Google Cloud. You can see at the top left here, I'm in the carrotjuice.com organization. You don't need to have an organization to do this. But if you're working with company data, then you probably want to have it in a company-run organization. So here, to create the project, just here, and select New Project. Now, I like using a org or project identifier. So in this case, CJ, carrot juice, data warehouse. And if it's a siloed project, so for example like a marketing warehouse, then you do CJ MKT or data warehouse or whatever. The reason this is really important is if you have contractors or if you work with multiple companies, if everything is called data warehouse, then in the project picker, everything will be called data warehouse. So, add an org identifier there to make your life easier. Then hit create, and it's creating the project. All done. Now, while we're here, just one thing to make sure that BigQuery is enabled. So first, we've created the project. Now we're going to switch to the project. And you can see this 3 dots here. That means it's a project that we're looking at. BigQuery. And so here you can see, because this showed up, I have my BigQuery already enabled, but if you get you might get a notification to enable the BigQuery API. In that case, just press enable the API right here. And then one last thing here, you see here, it says set up billing to upgrade to the full BigQuery experience. So you can use the sandbox for GA4 data. That's just fine. But to use DBT, you're going to need a billing account. Additionally, any data on the sandbox gets deleted after 60 days. So you're going to want to upgrade most likely to a full billing account. So here we'll hit upgrade, enable billing. So create billing account. And here you just go through and add your credit card as needed. I'm not going to do this on screen. I'm going to set it up with an existing billing account, and we'll meet you in the next lesson. So to recap, now you should have a GCP project ready to use.